the WhatsApp group, you will get immediate response. Okay?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, everyone. So today's session, we are not going to start our week number 7 as I have announced it earlier as well, and I have already posted that in your WhatsApp group too. So in this week, Saturday and Sunday, we are going to learn about your Opps only. So for our today's session, we are going to learn about encapsulation first. Okay? So are you all ready to dive into Opps with me? Are you all ready to dive into Opps? That's great, Tavya. Hi. Yes. Don't worry, I have tried my best to get the simplest examples for you guys this time so that it will be easier for you to understand. So let's start. Let's start. So guys, this time no pre-quiz, nothing. Directly we are going to start with encapsulation. Directly we are going to start with encapsulation, and guys, I'm telling you this beforehand, I want everyone's proper attention, proper attention over there today, because today and tomorrow we are going to learn about Opps, properly Opps. So before starting, can I have a quick response from each and everyone that you guys are ready to learn? Response from each and every one of you. Ready to learn, guys? Come on, everyone. Didn't got response from each and every one of you. Come on, guys. Let me see the spirit that you guys are ready to learn Opps with me. Okay, great, guys. Great. Okay. Is it okay, Soumya? This much Zoom is okay? Oh, great. Okay then, guys. Now let's start with encapsulation, the first topic for our today's session. And don't worry, it's not like every topic, there are 4 topics. Only first 2 topics we are going to cover. If we are going to cover it before 2 hours, then also fine. Okay? Don't worry. Only 2 topics we will cover. So guys, the first topic which we are going to cover in our today's session is going to be encapsulation. Let me just make a color as. The first thing we are going to cover is encapsulation. Yeah, this one. So what is encapsulation? What is encapsulation? What do you guys remember about encapsulation? I have already told you guys about encapsulation in our previous sessions, no? The definition we have covered. So tell me, guys, what do you guys think what encapsulation is? What do you guys remember? Hiding unnecessary details. What about others? From the
Hiding the
user, okay. Hiding the details, okay. Anything else? Anything else? Okay, very good, Saswat. So Heather, you're having network issues? You will get to know about it, Soumya. Don't worry. Don't worry. They both sound same, but there is pretty huge difference in between them. You will get to know that tomorrow. Okay, so let's start. So today we are going to learn about encapsulation. So encapsulation, guys, is hiding the internal details of a class and only exposing what is necessary. Hiding the internal details of a class and only exposing what is necessary. Now, it bundles the data, the variables, and the methods, which are known as what? Functions. Inside a class, restricting the direct access to some parts. Restricting the direct access to some parts. It bundles data, the variables and methods, the functions inside a class, restricting the direct access to some parts. So, what you guys can think of it as, you guys can just think of it as a capsule. The medicine capsule, it hides the medicine inside it. How the capsule looks like? Capsule looks like this, no? The red and white one. If you will just open that capsule, there will be medicine. There will be a powder inside it, right? The medicine, the actual medicine, the powder medicine, that is hidden inside that capsule, right? You're using that only, but you're not able to see it. You can still use it, but it is hidden from. That is encapsulation. That is encapsulation. Tell me, clear with the definition of encapsulation? Clear with the definition of encapsulation? Everyone? Great. Now, guys, we are having some real world analogies. First one is ATM machine. You press buttons. You press buttons. Public methods. You don't see how the machine internally talks to the bank server. You don't see how the machine internally talks to the bank server. Now, these are the hidden and private details. You are just going on the ATM, putting your card, putting your number, the amount you want, and you are just clicking on withdraw and you're getting the money out of it. Now, you don't know how internally it is working. You can just see the block of that machine pressing 2-3 buttons and you're getting the money out of it. Internally, you don't know how it is working, how the mechanism is and all. Yes, transactional KYC details. You just have to put your PIN and the person's name whom you want to make the payment. Inside, so much coding is done. You can't see that, no. For you, it is a second thing. It is a 1 second thing to you, no, to send money, money anywhere in the world. So that is what encapsulation is. Just seeing the necessary details and hiding the important things, or you can say the difficult part. Cars, you use a steering wheel and pedals. Steering wheel and pedals to drive the car, but you do not directly control the engine mechanism, no. You are not directly controlling the engine mechanism. You can just use steering wheel and pedals to control your car. This is known as encapsulation. Now tell me, guys, any doubts in the definition, any doubts in the theoretical part of encapsulation? Anyone? Yes, yes, you're correct, Saswit. Others also let me know. Others also let me know, guys. Sudha, Tamanna, Subhadeep, Navya, Zulekha, Ankita. Clear or not, guys? Great. Okay, then let's do some examples now. Okay, guys, so the first example which we are having, that is a bank account example. Okay, now, first of all, what we have done, we have created a class named as bank account. A class named as bank account and column. Then we use def diff. Then this init. Why do we use init? Why do we use init? Answer me. Why do we use
Called as a
init?
it's initiator.
Initiator. What is it initiating? What is it initiating?
It's basically constructing the self constructing the list.
Constructing the list. Okay.
It is used to
Others?
initialize the attributes of the object.
Okay. Very good. Yes, it is initializing the credentials of the bank account like this, you guys can say. Okay. So after that, in it, we are using self. Now, what is self doing? What is self doing?
Self basically takes the reference of the object to the initializer.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Yes. Yes.
It's a,
Referring the class object. Very good, guys. Very good. So you guys do remember what is init and self. Yes, self is kind of nickname which encapsulates the credentials into it. Very good. So you guys do remember. Very good, guys. Yes, refers the instance of the class. After that, I am taking two more things, that is honor and balance. That is honor and balance. What are they? These are the properties. These are the properties which I am giving to my bank account. These are the things which I have to get in my instance, in my object of the class. Yes, credentials, you guys can say. Now, self dot owner is equals to owner. Now, this is, guys, public attribute that I can access. But self dot balance, what I did, I just put double underscore. When you put double underscore na before a variable in Python, it becomes private. When you put double underscore before a variable in Python, it becomes a private variable. Now you cannot access it directly. You cannot access it directly. Is it clear why I'm using two underscores over there? Is it clear why I'm using two underscores? And why I'm making it private? Because I need something hidden. Because I'm showing you as encapsulation, I need something hidden also, na? So I have encapsulated this balance. I have hidden this balance. Yes, yes, yes. Now, after that, public method to deposit the money.
Can you
Def.
repeat again? Just quick from
Just the
initial tool and self dot owner from here. Can you
self
repeat?
dot owner is equals to owner. That is I'm just taking the properties of the owner, which I will get from the object of the class. Okay. So this is a public attribute because simply I'm taking. But here self dot double underscore balance. So when we put two underscores before a variable name in Python, it becomes private. That means now it is hidden. I cannot access it directly. Clear, Nitesh? Great. Now guys, public method to deposit the money. Def deposit. I am having self and amount. In self, I will be getting owner and balance. Both. And one more thing I'm adding, that is amount. Now, if my amount is going to be greater than 0, if my amount is going to be greater than 0, then what? In that private attribute, in that private variable, just add this amount. Just add this amount and print deposited amount, and the new balance is this. That is public method to deposit money. Else, deposit amount must be positive. Must be positive because it will be positive only if it is greater than 0. Otherwise, it is negative, no? So, this is what I am going to use to deposit the money. Yes, it is a function. Is this part of this code clear? Is this part of the code clear? Now guys, after that, we are having public method to withdraw the money. We are having, so okay, Soumya, I'm explaining again. So what is it? It is a public method to deposit the money. So what is happening? I am using def. Keyword, deposit, the name of the function, user defined function, self, because I will be getting the balance, and what other thing I was taking over there as an attribute? Yeah, owner. Balance and owner from here I will be getting. After that, I'm adding one more thing, that is amount. Now, if my amount is greater than 0, then only I want to get added in my balance. Because only positive thing I can add. And I'm printing that also. Otherwise, just display a warning message that the deposit amount must be positive. Now, is it clear, Soumya? Now, is it clear, Soumya? Great. Now, similarly, what we are doing, we are creating a public method to withdraw the money. We are using a public method to withdraw the money. Now, def withdraw. Self amount again. This time, if amount is greater than 0 and less than is equals to what? Self dot balance, which is now changed. If it is between or is equals to self dot balance, then only you are going to deduct that particular amount from the balance. Then only you are going to deduct that specific amount from the balance. For example, I am getting the amount as 1000 for only withdraw. Now 1000 is greater than 0. 1000 is greater than 0. Right? So I can, yes, okay. I can deduct because it is greater than 0, and if it is less than is equal, so that also I have to check. This is the and thing. Ankita, self dot under double underscore balance. It is a private attribute. I am putting two underscores to make it private. To make it private. After that, 0, this thing. This thing. Now my amount. Now my amount is between. Now my amount is between 0 to self.balance. Let's say my self.balance is 1000 and the thing which I want to withdraw is 200. Now it is satisfying the condition. Na? It is greater than 200 and it is less than is equal to 1000 also. Yes, we cannot deduct. It will not allow us. Right? If my amount is 200 and now it is what is happening, it is satisfying the condition. 0 se bada bhi hai and self dot balance se chota bhi hai. It is greater than 0 and it is less than self dot balance, the balance which is having in my bank account. So then only I can deduct the balance. Then only I can deduct the amount from there and then just print the message as well. Else print invalid withdrawal. Else print invalid withdrawal. Now, I am having getter method, controlled access. Def get balance, self. Return self dot what? Double underscore balance. Now guys, what is happening? What is happening? Here I am not using this self dot balance with any other thing. I am using it on its own. And here, this is a getter method. This is a controlled access. That means it is private. That means what is it? It is private. Just see. Using the class. First of all, create an object. Account is equals to bank account. Just put the name, owner's name, and the amount, the balance. The balance. Account dot deposit. I'm calling the deposit function. I want to deposit 500. Okay. And then withdraw 200. Just put get balance. Just put get balance. Right now it will work. Because what is happening? Deposited how many rupees? 500 rupees. Deposited 500 rupees, but new balance is because my balance 1000. It is greater than 0. Means it is positive. So it got added. It got added in 500 and my new balance is 1500. Now, my balance is 1500 only. And I want to withdraw 200 rupees. Now 200 is greater than 0 and it is less than is equals to 1500 also na. So 1500 minus 200, my remaining balance will be 1300. After that, I only want the final balance. I only want the final balance na. So I can just call this get balance function because right now I'm using deposit also, I'm using withdraw function also. So for now it will work. It is giving me the answer 1300 because this is my final balance remaining. But if I am trying to access this balance directly, I am getting an error because it is a private variable. Because it is a private variable. Are you guys clear with this? Are you guys clear with this code?
Ma'am, in that getter method, how you are, that is you are using get only one underscore balance, right? Not double underscore balance
That
in
is
that
double
one.
underscore. That is
No,
double underscore.
before, define get double underscore.
That is a name only. Inside you can use double, triple, anything.
Okay.
Before starting, you have to use double. With the help of get balance, you are getting the remaining balance. No, see, you're getting remaining balance. Directly, I cannot access it. Directly, I cannot access this balance.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. This last line of code, see, I'm not using get balance. I'm using double underscore balance. What is it? It is private. It is private. You cannot call it. See, bank object has no attribute named as balance. It will show like that because it is private. Is it clear now, guys? Give me a moment. Yeah. Yes, you guys are correct. So now what I'm doing is I'm just giving you guys this code in the chat box. Not in chat box. I'm giving you guys this file only. Give me a moment, huh? I'm sending on WhatsApp. Give me a moment. I've sent on WhatsApp too. You guys can check. Yes, it is a user-defined function. So, okay, to be defining class. No, no, no. Inside class only you're creating functions, no? Inside class you're creating the functions. Now, guys, I want everyone to take your time. Please run this code and now read out each and every single line of this code and let me know once you guys will be done. Any doubts, let me know. I'm giving you guys time. I will be on mute. Go through this code very thoroughly and let me know once done. Is this thing clear? Is this thing clear? You can say like that, Saswat. What is account? Account is the object's name. Account is the object name which I have created, the instance of my class which I have created. Okay, Ankita? Yeah. Now, guys, I will be on mute. Take your time, go through the each and every single line of this code and let me know once done. After that only, I'm going to move forward. Yes, Saswat. I just need to know about silk, git balance, and toxic. Give me a moment, huh, Saswat? Give me a sec. Huh, just fine. Now, this getter method, what is happening here? It is written very, very clearly that it is a controlled access. Why? Because I am only using what? Which is private. So, obviously, it is controlled. Okay. So, I am just creating a simplest function, get balance, taking self, because in self now everything is there, amount is there, my get balance is there, my owner is there, everything is there in self. I'm just returning what? Self dot my private method which I have created. Sorry, not private method, private attribute which I have created, balance, which is now updated. Which is now updated, and the final balance after withdrawal, after addition, I will get. Okay, Saswat? Okay, Saswat? Yes, you're correct. Yes, you're correct. And now, Anuj, let's come to your doubt.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, Anuj. Tell me.
Alright. So my doubt is basically that there's a concept known as name mangling in encapsulation.
Sorry. Can you please repeat?
Name mangling, mangling. Through it, we can access the private members also. So, what is the sole purpose of creating private members first? And
See, if I will not create private methods, how will I hide? How will I hide if I will not create private?
but ma'am, in Python, the when we apply the this private concept from a variable, it is just mangled in a sense like the class's name is at front and the underscores are in place. So if we use it, we can still access the private members. So what is the sole purpose of doing it?
You can still access it, but it will be controlled. It will be under protection. You can access it with a certain way only. Just suppose this is the code. Right now, I am showing you guys that how you guys can do it in the coding. Just suppose that you have done the code, you have made something private and you have published it.
Hmm.
Right? What do you think? Let's say a form in which you have done something private. Do you think the
Okay.
person who is accessing it will be able to get that information which you want them to not get it? No,
Hmm.
right? So
Yes.
for that, I have to make them private now. Okay. Oh, Google Forms. Everyone knows about the Google Forms are very, very common.
Yeah.
So, do you guys know how to create Google Forms?
Uh, I know that they can be created easily, but I haven't created one. So,
They can be created very easily. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I'm not going to show that in the class. Okay. Yes,
okay.
in my Google Forms, there are some Google Forms which I can't show. So Google Forms are basically you just have to go on the Google Forms website. Just have to go on
Hmm.
Google Forms website. They will be directly attached to your Google Drive. So what happens now? There, first of all, there will come the heading, some description, and then they will ask you question by question, and there will be some add option will be there, which you have to add again and again to add the questions. There will be a drop down as well, multiple choice question, anything you guys can choose accordingly, whatever question you guys are creating.
Okay.
So
So
now
is
over
it
there, now there is, let me just complete. There
okay?
is
Okay.
one option required. Just check this out. You guys will get this example very easily then. There is one option in your Google Forms required. Unless you guys must have filled multiple Google Forms till now, no? Multiple Google Forms till now.
Yep.
Some Google Forms have some questions which are required to fill. If you are not filling it, unless until you're filling that particular question, you can't submit it. Right?
Yes.
You can't submit it. Now, that time, sometimes we are in like, okay, yeah, I don't want to fill it. Why do I have to do it? This
Hmm.
comes in your mind, na?
Hmm.
Only with this one thing, because I have clicked on required and the person who is filling it, now he or she has to fill it. No other option they have. No other
Okay.
option they have. So the person filling it, they don't know, na? They don't know if they're very new. If they know
Hmm.
how to do it, then so they know. Right? Yes,
Oh.
asterisk signs marked. So it is
Yeah. I got
hidden.
it.
It is
Okay.
it is like a hidden thing, no? It is like a hidden thing. I want that person to fill that. That is why only I have put the required. Right? So this is
Yes.
hidden from them. So
Oh.
there are multiple things which we have to hide, where we have to use to create the private variables, to create the private attributes, which we want to be hidden from the audience which we are targeting.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Most welcome. Now, yes, you can say like that, Supradeep. Now tell me, guys, are you all clear with this code? Can I move forward? I can say, Saswat, you can try. You can try, and that can be a good practice for you. You can just try it, and if you will be able to do let me know as well. If no, I can just help you out with the mistakes you will make. Yeah, most welcome. Can you explain using the class part? This class is a keyword with which I am creating a class, a blueprint. And this is the object, the instance of the class. See, the variable name, this is the instance of the class, is equals to the class name which I'm taking here. And in parentheses, I'm taking the things. After self, I'm having owner and I'm having two things, the honor and balance. Those two things I'm taking over here. Okay, Zulekha? Okay, Zulekha? Guys, I'm asking once more, is everyone clear? Is everyone clear? I know I'm very, very slow in the session today, but I want everyone to understand Opps very well. Now here, guys, I have added this thing as well for you guys, that why do we use this double underscore? To protect the data from being modified directly. It forces the user to use the methods, getters and setters, to access or update the data. And it helps us follow encapsulation principle. It helps us to follow encapsulation principle. So this is why, the main reason why are we using double underscores and creating these private variables, private attributes over there. Okay, everyone. Yes, you are correct, Saswat. Should I move forward now? Should I move forward? Now, guys, I'm having another example, which is car with encapsulation. Now, very simple example, guys. Nothing I am doing over here. This example is the simplest one which I have created. Class car, def init self brand. Self.brand is equals to brand. I'm taking one more thing, but I am not telling my compiler beforehand that it is off only. I'm not going to take it from anyone else, from my object. I'm not going to take it from the user at all. I'm already telling it that the engine status, it is going to be private, but it is off. That is what I have already told to my class. Then I'm having start car function. Self. Now I'm putting my engine status as on because I am starting the car, so my engine got on now. By default, it is off. I'm starting the car, so now it is on. And I'm printing what? Self.brand car has started. Similarly, I'm creating the stop car function. Self.engine this time, again it became off. Self.brand car stopped. Now, what if I want to check the engine? Is it off or on? Just do the same like I have done in the previous one. Check engine self. Return engine is self.engine status. And now using the class, just create the instance. My car Tesla. First of all, check engine. Check the status of the engine. First of all, what it will be off because this is by default I have put it over here as off only. Now I'm using start car. Then if I will check my engine status again, it will be on. Now let me just show you guys one more thing over here. I'm putting my car dot stop car. Run it again. Let it run. Taking a little time, don't worry. See, Tesla car is stopped. But now if I will check the engine status again, what will be the engine status now? What will be the engine status now? Can anyone let me know? What will be the last line to get printed over here? Yes, engine is off. So the latest only it is going to print. Are you all clear with this example? Are you all clear with this example? Very good, very good. Everyone is clear? I'm sharing the link again. Go through this code and let me know if there is slightest doubt also. Then only I will give you guys the break for today. A second, guys. I guess I have to change my network connectivity. The break I will. Okay, guys, I have sent you all the link again. Take your time, go through the code, and let me know if you guys have any doubts in both of the codes of encapsulation. Any doubts in whole encapsulation? Let me know that. Taswat, what is happening over here? First of all, I'm just creating the class car. I'm taking init self brand. Self.brand is equals to brand. I'm not taking engine status. You can just see engine status I'm not taking over here. Because I'm not going to take it from my object of the class. I am taking engine status over here as a private attribute. Because I'm giving the answer here only that by default it is off. By default it is off. After that again, when I'm starting the car, I'm changing it to on. That when you're starting the car, it is on. Again, for engine status, stopping the car, I'm changing it to off. And for checking the status. First of all, if you will see, I'm just putting the car Tesla and I'm not starting the car, either stopping the car. I'm just checking check engine. So what answer I will be getting? I will be getting answer as off because by default it is off only. After that, I'm starting the car. Now car got started, off got changed to on. Now if I will check the engine, it will be on. Now after that, I stopped the car. Now I stopped the car. So what is happening now? On got changed to off again. So now if I will check my engine status, now it will be off. Is it clear now, Saswat? Is it clear now, Saswat? Yes, I'm waiting. This part? Yes. Very good. Very good, Anuj. Because I am not taking it like that. If I will put here also print my card dot double underscore engine status, I will get an error only because it is private. Okay, Saswat, you can try it. Yes, you're correct.
Ma'am, I have one question, right?
Yes, tell me.
So def underscore initializer self, it's the object, and brand is an attribute, right? So we are calling self and dot brand, and we are assigning brand, right?
Yes,
So self dot underscore engine is an we are assigning off, right?
yes.
Attributes, but we are taking only one attribute in above. Why we are taking
Ah,
only one attribute,
that is
brand?
what I have told. That is what I have told. Engine status, though, I'm putting over here only off. I'm not taking here now on and off. I'm not taking here now on and off. In
Mm,
object, I'm not taking. Na? In instance, I'm not taking.
so off the default
Yeah, that is
default
default
one.
one. Yes.
So default. Okay. So it will the program will start with off, right? when this program will run, it will start this program with off.
Yes,
Then
for that is going to be off only. After that, if you're calling start car, then only it is going to get on.
on. Yeah. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what this line we call self dot brand, we are calling object dot brand. How we call it?
We are
This line.
calling the object from the object, the instance which I am going to create for that particular class in that Tesla. So Tesla is the brand. That is what I'm calling.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now is everyone clear? Most welcome, Saswat. Now is everyone clear? Great. Okay then, guys. So now inheritance is the last topic which we are going to cover today. So let's do one thing. Let me just give you guys the break for now. And then after break, we will start. Okay? What is the time right now? 9:02. Okay, so guys, you guys can take the break till 9:15. After that, we will start with inheritance. Is it clear? Exact 9:16, we are going to start. Okay, so I will be on mute and you guys can just take a break. I will be on mute. We'll see you after break then. Okay, guys, so now we can start the session again. I'm so sorry I got a little late. I was having some network fluctuations. Okay, so are we, so guys, are you there? Are you there, guys? Guys, are you there? Come on, everyone, let me know.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great, great, great. Okay, then, guys, so now we are going to start with inheritance. Okay, so now what is inheritance? Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? What is inheritance? Tell me, what is inheritance according to you? Inheriting the properties of a parent class as a child, bringing on sharing common genes, qualities, traits. Okay, great, 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 guys. Just give me a moment. Let me just in up it. Yeah, that would be fine. So, guys, this inheritance means one class. Child can use the properties and methods of another class, parent. It promotes code reusability. It promotes code's reusability. And for that, we are having some real world analogies as well. A child inherits traits from their parents, like eye color, language, and surname. A dog class can inherit animal classes. All dogs are animals. A car class can inherit from a vehicle because all cars are vehicles, right? Because all cars are vehicles. So this is known as inheritance. This is known as inheritance. So first of all, now let me just show you guys a simplest example of inheritance, and then we will do type by type inheritance, types of inheritance. Okay. So let's start. Very easy examples I have created this time. No tough thing and all. So what I'm doing, I'm creating a parent class whose name is animal. I'm using def init constructor self, and I'm taking the property as name this time. Just take self.name is equals to name. Now in this particular class only, I'm giving a method which is known as speak. Self print self.name makes a sound. Makes a sound. Now, guys, this is my parent class. This is what I have created. After that, I am creating child class who is going to inherit this parent class. Class name is dog. In bracket, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the name of my parent class. What is the name of my parent class? Animal. Then colon. Now, def speak self. Just print if self.name barks. Self.name barks. And then Do the same thing for the cat class. Again, get the animal inside the parenthesis because you're inheriting. You are inheriting. Def speak self and self dot name meows. Self dot name meows. So this is what parent class looks like. This is what parent class and child class looks like. This is known as inheritance. Tell me guys, is this inheritance part clear? How I'm inheriting these two classes from this particular class? Everyone, is it clear? So first of all, what is happening? Listen to me carefully again. Class animal, this is a parent class. Def, init. Self add name. Self dot name is equals to name. Name is the property which I am giving to my class, right? And this is what I'm getting over here. Then def speak self. That self dot name makes a sound, whatever name I'm going to take. Now, class dog animal. Class dog animal. Inside dog, I'm taking parenthesis and just putting the name of my parent class, whose name is animal. Again, self speak, barks, and for that, meows. Now, is it clear? Can say like that, John. Is it clear, guys? There only it is calling the parent class. There only it is calling. It is inheriting everything which is present inside the animal, the parent class. Okay, Saswat? Okay, Saswat? Yeah. After that, guys, what is happening? I am just using this class. Dog, just putting the name Bruno. Cat, kitty. Bruno, because it is from the dog class. So name got inherited, and here I'm just getting the answer that it barks. And I'm not getting this now. I'm not inheriting it. I'm not inheriting it. I'm rewriting it if you guys can see. I'm changing it. I'm changing it. I'm rewriting it. Okay. So dog barks one will I will get for cat, kitty, meows. Is this code clear, everyone? Is this code of inheritance clear, everyone? Yes, 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 you guys are correct. Clear? Okay, let's do one thing now. The code is in front of you. Please read this code again and let me know if you guys have any doubts, then we will move forward, okay? the whole class, animal is getting inherited over here somewhere. That is why I am giving you guys the time to read out the code very carefully. Hello, guys. Am I able? Guys, are you able to hear me? Guys, are you able to hear me? Now you are able to hear me. So, still breaking. Now it is clear? Okay, so what I was saying now, so guys, someone is saying it is clear, someone is saying it is breaking. Can you guys please tell me one thing? Is it breaking or is it clear? It is clear? Okay. Okay, so what I was saying now, Soumya, I was just saying that is why I'm giving you guys the time to look at this code in front of you. Okay, just read out the code and let me know if you have still doubts.
Ma'am, if we want to call, if we call animal class,
Yes,
so it will print to make a sound line, right?
yes,
Okay.
yes. Yeah. Okay, everyone, so now we will move forward. Now, guys, here comes types of inheritance. So, main three types of inheritance are there. Single inheritance, one parent, one child. Multiple inheritance, child inherits from multiple parents. And multi-level inheritance, parent, then child, then grandchild as well. So, class A is getting inherited by class B. Class B is getting inherited by class C. Like this, the multi-level inheritance. Yes, yes, yes. You guys can say like that. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Now, guys, let's do the examples one by one. First of all, we are having single inheritance. Single inheritance example we are having. So, what is happening over here? I'm creating a class. I'm creating a parent class where I'm displaying what? Display parent self. Simplest example I have created. I'm just printing that this is the parent class. Now, one parent, one child. So I'm just creating one more. I'm just creating one more. Class, child, in brackets, parent. Child inherits the parent. Def, display, self. This is the child class. This is the child class. Now, Just create an object. My object is, I'm just calling the class named as child. Now, obj dot what? Display parent. Display parent. If you guys will see carefully, I'm not calling parent class. I'm just calling child class, which is already having all the properties of the parent class. So this display parent, this display parent, I can use here as well without calling the parent class now. Just display parent and then display child, which is the actual method for the child class. And I'm able to get both of them. This is known as single level inheritance. Is it clear, guys?
Ma'am, what this function is, what this line is,
Is it clear?
what this line, no,
Which
object equal
line?
to
Which line?
ob,
Which line?
object equal to child class, child function. What this line?
We have done multiple things. What is it? We are creating the instance of the class. What we are doing from the starting, we are creating the instance of the class.
Okay, yeah, got it. Instance, yeah,
Got it?
yeah.
Everyone clear? Everyone clear? Great. Now, guys, after that, Ritesh, please mute yourself. After that, guys, we are having multiple inheritance. Now, in multiple inheritance, what is there? In multiple inheritance, what is there? Multiple parents can be there to one child. Multiple parents can be there to one child. So, very simple example I have took. Class is father. Def. Father trait, self, just print. Father trait is top. Then create another class as mother. I'm not inheriting. These are two individual classes. Father class is individual, mother class is individual. I'm not inheriting both of them together. Def mother trait self. Mother trait is kind. Now create a child class. Class, child, father, mother. Inherits both father and mother. Inherits both father and mother. Father, comma, mother. Just put the trait of the child, intelligent. And again, after that, create an instance of the class. Get father's trait. I'm just taking child because inside child, both the classes are there. Father's class, mother's class, and child itself. All three classes I can get with only one class named as child. Father trait, mother trait, and child trait. And you guys can see the answer in front of you. Everyone clear with that?
So, ma'am, why we are creating in instance for only child class, not why not mother or father class?
What I have just told, because child class is inheriting father and mother, both the classes. So I have to create the instance only for that now. Because it is already having all the traits of father and mother class. Why will I create the instance for them then?
Okay.
Okay. Is everyone clear with this example? Yes, we can. We can have more than two parents. Yeah. Guys, I'm asking again and again, are you all clear with this code? Easy and interesting? Very good. Okay, guys, so the last topic for today, multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance. Now, in multi-level inheritance, what I have told, B is going to inherit A, C is going to inherit B. So, class grandparent, def grandparent trait, vice. Then parent class, who is going to inherit the grandparent class. The trait is responsible. So now this class contains both grandparent and parent. This class contains both grandparent and parent, right? After that, now I am having a child class who is having parent class. Now, parent class was already having grandparent and parent in it. Now, when I am inheriting child class, now it also got what? It got grandparent, it got parent and child itself. Yes. Is it clear, guys, that how inheritance got over here? This is multi-level. This is multi-level. There I am not doing multiple class inheritance together. Here, multiple is different, multi-level is different. There I'm doing level by level. There I was doing all of them together. Is it clear, everyone?
So, ma'am, object equal to child class, right? So it is
Yes.
necessary to give obj. Can we can give any
Any name,
alphabet?
any name. Depends
Okay.
upon you.
Can we define separately like object equal to child class? Then we are calling object child trait. Then we can define ABC equal to parent grandparent class. Then calling.
Nitesh, whatever you're saying, can you please write that down in the chat box so that it will be clear to me as well?
Uh,
Can you please write that down? Is it clear, everyone? Is this code clear, everyone? Everyone, it is clear? Great. So guys, I'm sending you guys the link again. I told you, right? That is why I didn't continue that day. That is why I told you guys that I will take Saturday and Sunday extra for this, right? The same link on WhatsApp. The same link I have already sent on WhatsApp, Supriti. Okay, I have said. Just give me a second, then Saswat. I'm sending you the feedback form. That if you have to leave, I have sending you the feedback form. Just give me a second. I'm sending. I've sent the feedback form. Yes, Brandon, please just provide your feedback now, and then you guys can leave. And guys, I'm repeating myself. If you guys love the class, please make it as excellent only. If there is any other you guys are marking as good, average, or bad, please do provide the proper reason as well. Okay? And now, guys, I'm open for the doubts. If there is any doubts, please let me know.
Ma'am, I've given in the tag, chat box.
Sorry, but I didn't got any message from you, Nitish. Oh, I got it, got it. Sorry. Object child. Yeah, like that also you can do. Like that also you can do, Nitish. But when I am having all the things inside a child class, why will I create the another instances of another classes? When I already have everything in one place.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, got it.
Okay? Yeah.
But this will work, right? Also.
Yeah, this will work.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's like different phones from Android, right? That is like multi-level inheritance, right?
Yes, yes, yes. You can say like that.
So that means like it is from the same Android, but it is a different ones.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it multi-level inheritance or multiple inheritance?
That can be both. That depends upon you how you're going to create it. Because at the end, the child is there, na, it is going to get every class inside it. It depends upon you how you're going to do the code now. Okay, Sudha? Good night, Supradeep. Now, guys, if you guys do not have any doubts, please do let me know. Thank you, Ishwarya. Thank you, Krishna. Good night, Nitish. Good night, Aditya. Okay, then I'm seeing no doubts is there. I'm just stop sharing my screen. And guys, please fill out the feedback form. I'm sending feedback form again. Fill this out and let me know once done, okay? Thank you, Ankita. Most welcome, Sudha. Thank you, Sudha. Yeah, you can say like that. That's really great, then, Saswat. Thank you so much, Samya, for your kind words. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
You too. No worries, John. No worry. If ever you are getting any kind of doubts, just put that inside. Just put that over there. No, just put that over there in the WhatsApp group. We are there to help you. We are there to help you out. Thank you, Navya. Good night to you too. Yes, all done. Sorry for today. I don't have practice questions. What you guys can do, you guys can just go through today's one only. And tomorrow, let me see. I will just prepare some questions for you then. Okay, Navya? Yeah. Okay, then, guys. Okay, then, guys. So now I'm seeing everyone has filled the form as well. So now I will be just ending the session and we will meet tomorrow. Okay? Bye, guys. Bye, everyone.